Once again, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial video, we will draw Autocad 3D mechanical drawing. So figure number 24 right side of your screen, we are going to start this drawing step by step. So let's start video. At first, we have to draw this drawing within some limit. So specify area. So type limit, set 0, 0 lower limit and 150, 150 upper limit. To apply limit, type Z, enter E, enter, zoom extend for the specified area. Now go to view, select front view as we are going to draw this figure from front side. Take it so take line command, click here, make ortho 1, take a distance of 72 unit and then drag it right side for 84 unit, take it offside for 32 unit and another 32 unit, enter. Again take line command, click here endpoint and at a distance of 32 unit and then 12 unit. Okay, now again line command, click here at a distance of 28 unit and then downward. Okay, click here. Now go to circle command and click here radius of 32 unit and circle command, click here of 12 unit. Okay, take line command, click here at a distance of 32 unit and then click here. Now go to trim command, select all the object and trim. Trim here, enter. Line command, click here and join. Again trim command, click here, trim this portion, then select this line and erase. Okay, now go to again circle command and this time select tan radius, select here and give radius of 16 unit. Then again trim command, click hold the object, click here and this portion also and trim this portion. Okay, select this line and erase. Here the front view is ready. Now select hold the object, type J for join and now go to press pull command, click this region and at a distance of 40 unit, select this region of 24 unit, select this region 80 unit, 56 plus 24 is equal to 80 unit, enter. Now change view, select southeast isometric view, visual style, shades of gray, click this portion and move it. Yes. Select this line, erase it. Now create the cut portion. So copy each command and orbit it. Select this edge. Okay. Enter. Select here at a distance of 8 unit. Enter. Again copy command. Select this line, base point, and at a distance of 16 unit. Okay. Again copy each command. Select this edge. Click enter here at a distance of 8 unit. Enter. Enter. Now go to press pull command. Click here and drag it. Here it is. The cut portion is ready. Okay. Again copy an edge command. Select this edge. Click here. Enter. Select here at a distance of 28 unit. Okay. And now also copy edge command. Click this edge. Enter. Click here at a lower portion. Take it below and at a distance of 24 unit. Here it is. Now go to line command. Click here and join here. Now we should take press pull command. Select this portion. Take backward. Here it is. Cut portion is ready. Now take union command. Select all the object. Enter and take move command. Select object. Enter and move it. Select this line. Erase it. Now go to southeast isometric view. Here the drawing is ready. Change visual style, realistic, and select it for color. Choose any color. I am choosing magenta, purple. Choose another color. Yes, this is looking very good. Here it is. Drawing is ready, so that's why I have created this drawing. If you like this video, please share. Thank you for watching.